Welcome to my channel Gadgets Lab. Earnings disclaimer. DoHonest baby car camera for back seat, HD 1080p easy setup car seat camera rear facing infant, crystal night vision 360 degrees rotating baby car monitor for kids, V33. Easy to install, simply strap the baby car camera to fix the headrest, run the cable to the baby car monitor, and plug it into the cigarette lighter or use a USB power cord to power it. Only takes 3 minutes for every parent. Note, the package isn't include the USB cable. 360 degrees rotating adjustable baby backseat camera, V33 car seat camera rear facing infant can adjust 360 degrees angles according to your car model and the size of the car safety seat. The baby camera for car allows your cute baby to be in your line of sight at all times and take care of him, her. Clear HD 1080p image. Using the upgraded chip technology, car camera for baby can provide real-time and clear pictures no matter in the day or at night. Wide view angle, 150 degrees car baby monitor with camera allows you to see. Thanks for watching and subscribe.